Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to add text in Capcut. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's create a new project. Tap on a new project, select any video and click add. Now to add text, we tap on the text button and then add text. We type the required text and then we can change the text as we please. For example, in the Templates tab, we can select a ready-made template for text with a beautiful font and animation. As you can see, most of these templates are paid, but if you look at the contents of all the tabs, you can still find some interesting template for the text. Okay, let's move on. The Fonts tab, everything is clear here. Select the font for the text, but again, not all fonts are available in the free version. In the Styles tab, we can choose a color for the text from a large number of colors, and if you click on the Palette button, you can select your own shade in this menu. This tab also adjusts both the size of the text and the background for the text. As you can see, there are enough options here to create your own individual style, and most of these options are free. In the Effects tab, we add some interesting effect to our text, namely a glow, neon or metallic effect. As you can see, there are enough effects, but most of them are not available in the basic version of Capcut. Okay, next is the Animation tab. Although not all animations are available, we can still select animations for text to appear and for text to disappear. The tabs are in and out respectively. Select an animation and use the slider at the bottom to adjust the duration of this animation. And the Loop tab adds a constant animation that acts all the time as the text in the video is shown. Using the Bubbles tab, it's convenient to show the thoughts of the characters or the dialogue between them. And the Presets tab allows you to save the created text with color, effects, animations, and use it in other projects. To confirm the creation, click on the check mark. Finally, if you need to edit the created text, then tap on the track with the text and use the buttons on the ribbon at the bottom or go to the player screen. With two fingers, we can zoom in or out of the text as well as move it. As you can see now, the text is framed and there is a button on each corner. On the top right is a button for editing text. On the bottom right is a button for zooming and rotating text. On the bottom left is a button for copying, and the cross sign will delete the created text. And that's it. Now note more.